Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about global actions in Salesforce. What is a global action in Salesforce? A global action in Salesforce is a special kind of button or link that lets you perform quick actions, like creating a new task, logging a call, or creating a new record, from anywhere in Salesforce. It's called global because it can be accessed from any page, regardless of what object you're working on. This means you can quickly add new information or perform actions without navigating away from your current page. Why do we use a global action? We use global actions to save time and increase productivity by allowing users to perform common tasks from anywhere in Salesforce. For example, a sales rep might want to create a new opportunity while looking at a contact record. Instead of switching to the Opportunity tab, they can use a global action to create it right away. Real-time example. Let's say you're a support agent, and you receive a customer call reporting a new issue. You want to quickly create a new case while viewing their account details. Instead of navigating to the Cases tab, you can click the plus New Case global action at the top of the page, fill out the case details, and save it. With this, the agent has created a new case without ever leaving the account view, making it easier to track issues in real time. How to create a global action in Salesforce? To create a global action, navigate to the Setup menu. Type Global Actions in the Quick Find box. Select Global Actions from the list of options. Click New Action to start creating a new global action. Choose the action type based on what you want the global action to do. For example, if you want to create a new record, select Create a Record. Next, select the target object. For this example, let's choose Case. Give your global action a clear label and description. For this example, we'll call it Create Case. And add a description like Create a new case quickly from anywhere. Click Save. Configure your global layout. This is where you can choose which fields will be displayed when the action is used. For a new case, let's add fields like Case Owner and Case Priority. Click Save. Now your global action is ready to be used. To make your global action accessible, navigate to the Quick Find box. Select Publisher Layout. Click Edit next to the global layout. Drag and drop the Create Case global action to the layout. Click Save. Refresh the page to check our global action. You can see the Create Case we just created in the global actions. Select Create Case. Give the necessary details for the fields. And click Save. Navigate to the case object. You can see a new case record created with all the details we filled in. And that's it. Global actions in Salesforce are a great way to help users quickly perform tasks, like creating records, without needing to navigate away from their current page. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Salesforce guides. See you next time. This is Naveen signing off.